Verifying your identity on Cash App is crucial for accessing all its features. If your verification fails, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that the personal information you provided matches exactly with your government-issued ID. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Step 2. Update your app. Make sure you are using the latest version of Cash App. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If verification continues to fail, try clearing the app's cache and data. Go to your device settings, find Cash App, and select the options to clear cache and data. Step 4. Reattempt verification. After clearing the cache, reopen Cash App and attempt the verification process again. Follow the prompts carefully and ensure all information is entered correctly. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If you still cannot verify your identity, reach out to Cash App support. Use the in-app support feature or visit their website for assistance and provide them with the details of your issue. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Cash App. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.